Hello again guys. Right, I haven't made a video for today. What is it, Thursday? Had a little spate of them yesterday because of this Sonic R Dragon thingamyjob. Now, I don't want you guys to get sort of I don't know, disillusioned that, oh, here we go, indicators, that and the other. It's just really to suggest an either or to you. I haven't looked up the strategy. I haven't looked up what all these MAs are doing on here when you look at the settings for this Sonic R on TradingView. I can work with or without the Sonic R, and the reason I introduced it, as I've explained in previous videos, is that you know, it worked before the 3CR and before the RSI Histo. Now, as you can see, and the other point I need to make, I was thinking about this while doing the horses earlier, you can pick what works for you. I know the 3CR is complicated, 3-candle reversal, and I know people get bogged down with it. So you could just take it off your charts. All you really need is a descending trend line, ascending trend line, and then the RSI Histo momentum. The 3-candle reversals are additional icing on the cake, and believe me, really, the structure market. But if you can't get your head around them and they cause confusion, which can, you know, struggle, will interfere with your confidence when entering trades, dump them, or dump the RSI. Or, you know, as I say, don't even adopt the Dragon, the Sonic R. Choose what works for you best. You know, it doesn't bother me whether you use all of this or none of it, as long as you understand that descending trend lines and reversals are with momentum, with any sort of stochastic or RSI squiggly lined momentum indicator. MACD is brilliant as well. It doesn't matter what you use as long as you are confident in the way it works. So anyway, getting back to this, we can clearly see we have got a descending trend going on. We've got a clear, if you look on the higher time frames, but I'm not going to bother about that, a clear support level going on. You can see it's tested. Now, J stands for J International. Really love his work. No messing about, just straight trade calls, and you know, and so on and so forth. So I've mentioned this before, but I'll mention it again. What I do is find a few traders that I like, and that, believe me, there's very few that I actually like, and a lot of it goes is about the way they build their trades and so on and so forth. So in fact, I've got two that I actually like a lot, Jay being one of them, and consequently, you know, what I was doing yesterday, and getting back to this whole setup here, this is an actual trade that has just closed, and that's why I'm making the video actually. Yesterday I was going through these low time frame. You rarely see me on a stock on a 15-minute chart, but that is how I look for my trades and enter the trades, regardless of whether I post those ones I'm looking at with the weekly, with the monthly, weekly, daily and 4-hour. I'm then reverting to the 15, and then what I'm looking for, yesterday I was just playing around with the Dragon. You can see there's the poke up through the Dragon during the day yesterday. This is the previous day. This is why, you know, I've got this marked on the RSI. That RSI 3CR was a perfect entry, probably on the 5-minute using the Dragon, but it's poked through, pulled back, and you could have got involved. Now, yesterday's one, I flicked through a load of various people's recommendations, including my own as well. I've got hundreds of these things on here, and all I'm looking for is a reversal off support that fills the tick boxes. And last night, before the close of business, this was a clear push up, deep pullback. That in itself is a 2B reversal, that pattern. You can see it on the line chart clearer. There, swing 1, 2, 3. There's your break up, pullback, break up and continuation. So yesterday afternoon I'm looking for ones that look like they're going to break through the levels, i.e. the Sonic R Dragon break up, push up, pull back, breakthrough is our entry in. As you can see, we've got the bust, the pullback and the break and close above the bust. So that was an early entry signal, so that we can get in before the pre-market opens around here and you've lost half the profit. That's the whole point of this. So, you know, for stock trading we have to adjust our strategy slightly. I want to be pumping through a load of these that are moving. That's why this is a list of green levels here. You change that by just clicking the change, and it orders them declining or descending or ascending, and so on and so forth. Highest profit at the bottom. And then all we have to look at is whether we can find this pattern. And if it's pushed up a little bit, that'll mean it's in that green zone, as it were. And then if we can find an agreeable chart pattern change that we know is a buy, and we know we want to be looking for buys off this support and all the other time frames, and then we've got a clear area that will cause a problem with price over on the left, which is what I did there. Oh, there's an alert for something there. Good old alerts. And look what happened. It went straight and closed and made a nice tidy profit. Stops only have to be somewhere down here, and there's a good reward risk on that. So, that's it, guys. Whether you use the dragon or whether you just get rid of the dragon, tidy your charts up, which I probably will do because I've added it so that you can do as I explained before. Choose any two components, either trend lines and the momentum, or trend lines, the 3CR and momentum, or the trend lines and the 3CR, which isn't as good. I mean, this is the holy grail. 3CR is brilliant as well, and this thing for me is an absolute I've called it priceless before, and I truly mean it. If you can learn how to use it, MACD works okay, stock stochastics work okay, the squiggly lined RSI isn't precise. That's the only reason I don't use it, because I found the RSI histo is like a traffic light system. You see the levels over there, when you put your bar on there, you'll see the level 41 something or other that one was. Let's get the right one, 4160. Go on that one and you will see it is 1452. Check that one, not the red one. You've got to get on the 743. So you can use it with absolute digital precision, and that's what I like about it. So there you go, guys. How to use your watch lists, how to use the dragon, or using the higher time frames. Find a level of support, and as you can see, that is a perfect 2B reversal there as well. So numerous ways. You got your target, you got your stop loss, you got your entry. What more do you want? And do it the day before if you can find. Scan through all of these for that particular setup there, and you're good to go. As you can see, I'm in a few trades as well, all based on this 15-minute reversals. They are powerful. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.